Good day, folks. It's Jim Langlands here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Finance News Network for the 10th of May on behalf of AxiTrader. Well, it's been another pretty nervous day in the markets today. Greece and Spain have both weighed on sentiment, pushing the euro lower. The political situation in Greece obviously hasn't got any better, and the Spanish banking system is in trouble again. The Spanish government had to bail out one of the Spanish banks today, so overall that all kept a lid on the euro. It got down to 129.10. It's had a pretty anemic bounce from there. It's currently about 129.35-40 area, but it looks as though it wants to test lower levels, and if we get under 129, I think we're probably headed towards 128.25 as our first port of call. The US dollar was stronger all round, really, with the exception of the yen, which was bought up on really safe haven grounds and tracked US Treasuries today. It's got down to 79.40. The dollar has bounced a little bit since then and currently sits on support at around 79.60, where there should be some reasonable bids once Tokyo get going today. Cable, that took out stops below 161, got down to 160.60. 160.60, but it's bounced back above 161 figure now, and it's hovering around there. Euro sterling looks as though that wants to take a test under 80. There's bound to be some stops below 79.90, I think. So the cross is currently at around 80.30. So we've got a little bit of headway to go there yet, but it looks as though it's heading that direction. Dollar Swiss, likewise, that's a little bit harder today, trading at 92.80. And it wouldn't surprise me. It looks like it's building momentum to take out 93 and possibly a little bit higher. The Aussie and the Kiwi have both suffered again, obviously. They've been down to 100.20 and 78.10 respectively. The Aussie looks like it wants to test parity. If we get there, there's going to be plenty of stops lined up underneath there, and I think we could see a move down to towards 99.5. But it's probably going to be pretty choppy around one the figure when it gets there. Direction overall, of course, will be driven today by the employment data. 5.3 and minus 4.5 is the expectation. Although I see some economists are predicting a job loss of minus 20,000, so that could help the Aussie on its way lower. We've also got the Chinese trade data today. That'll add some volatility into the mix. Aside from that, the other thing to look out for is the Bank of England interest rate decision later on. No changes expected there, but there's the possibility of a surprise given that the UK is now back in recession. So we may see some movement from the Bank of England. That's really about it today. Not much more else. If you want a more comprehensive outlook on the market, though, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au. That's apart from that, that's it. As usual, all outlooks here are a personal view only, not to be used as trading advice. So please don't do that. Aside from that, have a very good day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Cheers.